my name is Elsevier Gelderbloem, and I am the executive responsible for port engineering at Namport. So today at the Port of Walvis Bay, we feel honored because we hosted the EU Commissioner, Commissioner Simpson, and her big delegation from Europe. And the delegation is an important visit for us because we informed delegation as to what our plans are. Obviously, they being the EU, they have interest to see the green molecules which we produce here in our country actually arrive at their ports in Europe, and then they want to consume the green molecules there. So as a port authority, Namport has the role to facilitate the export of these green molecules in whatever form, hydrogen, ammonia, whatever the case may be. We must provide the port facilities, the port infrastructure for the ships to come and pick up the ammonia. And we explained to the EU delegation our plans in both ports, the Port of Lüderitz and the Port of Walvis Bay. We also explained to the delegation the future partnerships we are discussing now with European port authorities. Port of Antwerp, Bruges were here. Port of Rotterdam, we also are discussing with them for a partnership in Lüderitz. So all of that is geared towards us forming these green corridors to Europe, where our green molecules will then go.
Our last stop after Cleanergy was right here at Namport, where we then started trying to see whether Namport is ready to receive these three different types of customers, whether it is hydrogen trucks, for example, whether it is high iron commodity, or whether it is indeed ammonia. And here, our engineer here at Namport, Mr. Elsevier Gelderbloem, then showed us the infrastructure that Namport wants to build in Northport to connect all of these industries here. And essentially, this is the bigger plan. Is this a new plan? No, it's not. Namibia always wanted to be a logistics hub of choice to the hinterland. What we're doing is we're redesigning that particular plan to be future-proof, to be a logistics hub of choice with a low carbon signature and with all of the equipment and the material in order to decarbonize not just our goods, but also the goods of our neighbors. And so that's a very exciting plan that Namibia is now beginning to see unfold this year after, of course, we've been designing and dreaming about it since 2021. That's the big plan.